Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Africah Harrigan and today I will be doing an unboxing of the BEIS Cosmetic Case in black. Yes, okay, so let's go ahead and start the unboxing. I'm really excited about this because it was one of those situations where I kept looking on the website for the BEIS Cosmetic Case, and it was always unavailable, and it was unavailable for months. And then when I finally checked my inbox, it was like, hi, guess what? We restocked. And I was like, what? And now it is in my possession. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this product. I really wanted an upgrade to the cosmetic case that I have now. And it's because sometimes I get really tired of flipping my, my makeup brushes back and forth. You flip it to get something out, and then you flip it back to use the brush, and it was like too much after a while. So I went ahead, and that was one of the driving reasons why I even wanted the BEIS Cosmetic Case. You'll see why. So this is what it looks like in black. It's really chic. I don't know if this is vegan leather, but whatever material this is, it is really soft. And of course it has a little tag and the word BEIS right there. When you open it up, zip, 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 this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so we have something here that's wrapped around, and then there's like a little slot right there. So let's explore this a little bit. And this is pretty interesting, actually. Oh, okay, so it's just wrapped up. I thought something was wrapped there. And there, now you can see the actual makeup brushes right here. Where you have the slot for the makeup brushes. I mean, it's about just like a little, I think you can fit up to 6 to 7 brushes, maybe 8 or 9, depending on how big your brushes are. But your essential brushes can definitely fit right there. And then it says brushes. It says brushes. Now the great part about this, like I was just explaining to you, it's removable. And when you remove it, this is what the case looks like. So you can like remove this, put this on your vanity table, and then still be able to access all of your makeup products. And I love that. Of course, it's like a magnetic closure. So you just like stick it like right there, and boom, it's attached. Now, like I said, one of the main reasons was, the flipping back and forth of, okay, I need a brush, I need the products, brush, products. And I got tired of that. So that was one of the reasons why I really wanted the BEIS Cosmetic Case, because it's removable. Now in the back zipper here of the cosmetic case, there's a mirror, a BEIS mirror, and this is really convenient, especially if you are in a hotel and you're sharing a hotel room with someone like your partner or your husband or your wife or whatever. And you can just put this down like this on the dresser table and do your makeup. And I really and truly love that a lot. I'll just keep this little thing here, this little mesh thing there. This is a mirror, like I said, and I'll just close it back up like that. Now the whole idea of the mirror is to be able to put it inside of this slot, and I'll show you the slot just now. And the mirror actually is housed in this slot right here. So you can access it really quickly. Boom, you got your mirror, your removable makeup brushes section of it. And then when you flip it, you also have a zipper back here. My only recommendation with this zipper is that I wish that this was clear, because I mean, what you can fit inside of here is probably like your lip pencils and your eye pencils. But for me, I like to see the product. So although I do like that it's black, I would prefer that the zipper compartment back here was a clear compartment, so that I can see my eye products and my lips, my lip pencils and my eye pencils, because that's probably all I would probably put in there. I wouldn't put anything else. Everything else, the dimensions of it is like too thick, but the pencils are really small and slim. But I would have loved to have seen a clear plastic in the back so that I can see my makeup and see what I packed from what I didn't pack. Inside here, of course, is just a base of open space, deep enough for you to put all of your makeup, and it's deep because if you look at it, it's like thick, right? It's thick all the way around. So all of this is just a big open base, a big open space for you to put your makeup products. And then of course you would zip it back. So I love that about the BEIS Cosmetic Case. I did go ahead, let me just package this back. I did go ahead and I also had purchased this in beige as well, because you know that my luggage, the color of my luggage is beige. And I just wanted to show you that really quickly, how that one looks. So I actually purchased a cosmetic case in beige only because it matches my luggage. And I love the beige look. You know, when you get to the hotel, you got your beige suitcases, and then you got your beige cosmetic case, and then your beige toiletries case, and everything is beige and everything is matching. Love that look. And this is how I have it currently. I can tell that I have some things in here. I'm not quite sure what, but we can unzip it. No, yeah, we got some stuff up in this joint. Oh yes, so it's filled with a couple of items. Now, what I would tell you about the beige one, everything like the black one, all the compartments are exactly the same, but with the beige one, it can get dirty faster. Yes. So you will always have to have a makeup removable wipe with it to just wipe off the makeup inside, if it bothers you, of course. Now for me, I always just wipe it off after use, or I try to wipe it off as often as I can. If I'm going to, like for example, if I have a trip coming up, and Corey, I didn't forget you, I did not forget you. It's just that the last trip that I had went on, it was just extremely busy leading up to the trip, during the trip. And I didn't get to rest until I came back home, until about 2 or 3 days later. I finally had some downtime to just rest. But this upcoming trip that I have is supposed to be a lot more relaxing and not so busy. I will not be on a schedule. I will not be working or anything like that. I'll probably spend more time lounging around the pool and around the beaches and things like that. So I will have an opportunity to film that video for you, showing you how I packed my BEIS luggage. So that pretty much concludes this video. The BEIS cosmetic cases in both black and beige. Completely loving both of them. And I love the removable, that a makeup removable wipe can really and truly clean up your bag. But if you're on the fence of which one to get, I would just say it's all about personal preference. If you're always in a hurry, if you're always on the go, and you don't have time to wipe up your makeup cosmetic case, go with the black one. If you want to, you know, something different, something light, something fun, something to match the balance of your luggage collection, then go with the beige cosmetic case. But because of their pricing, it's you know, it's not too badly priced. You could probably just buy both. Like what I did. You could probably just get both and just make, excuse me, just make that work for you. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the red button to subscribe to my channel. And of course, hit the bell button so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to leave, excuse me, a question or a comment in the comment box below. And of course, I always get back to you guys. Thank you so much, all my subscribers who have been with me from day one, who've been following me from day one. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. And also quick shout outs to Hip Hop Bling for this Masa Night 0.925 mm stud. You can go ahead and just watch the previous video, but I will link down below. You can get a discount, Africa 25% discount off on these moissanite stone studs. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Africah Harrigan. Stay beautiful.